Now let's see how Marts and Paula will demonstrate slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, 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 slow, and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now let's see same choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, prepare, and start with a running feather with natural pivot ending. We continue with natural spin type action. And then do backward feather step and backward 3-step. Now we dance heel pull into a Rumba cross. We continue with quick natural pivots and hover ending. From here we dance outside into quick open reverse turn and then feather finish. Very good. And now let's see same choreography in slow motion and focus on direction of movement. So we start diagonally to wall with running feather and natural pivot ending. We continue down line of dance with natural spin type action. Now we move down new line of dance with back feather. In same direction we move with backward 3-step. Now heel pull and Rumba cross around the corner. Then in new line of dance natural pivots with hover ending. Now we move diagonally to center in new line of dance with quick open reverse turn and feather finish. We end up diagonally to wall. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Paula. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.